Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up an Etsy print on demand. Firstly, let us talk about print on demand products. It involves partnering with a company, like my preferred Printify, to create designs for various products such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, tote bags, or mugs. If you search on Etsy about these products, like let us search for gifts, here you will find different products that are printed on demand and most of them are from Printify. These designs are digitally transferred onto products only when a customer makes a purchase. Printify then handles the printing, shipping, and tracking, leaving you to focus on designing and customer service. This business model prevents a low barrier to entry in the online market. While it is not entirely cost-free, it offers significant potential. Now let us address two common Etsy myths that often hinder newcomers. Firstly, contrary to popular belief, you don't need to launch your Etsy store with a lot of items. Etsy operates as a search engine, meaning customers often find and purchase individual listings without visiting your entire store. Secondly, you are not confined to a single niche when opening your shop. Now let us proceed with a step-by-step guide. To start, open an Etsy account. Here, name your shop to whatever you want. Once done, click on Save and Continue. After that, you will be asked to add your first listing. Add your product photo to continue. Then add its category and item type. Next, add the title of your product. After that, add photos and videos. Next, add a description and other details including shipment. After setting up your shop, focus on completing your Etsy profile, including banners, logos, and policies. Moving on to the Printify integration, sign up for a Printify account using your email address and password. Now you need to set up your Printify account. Answer a few questions about yourself. After setting up your Printify store, go to the catalog option and choose a product that you want to work on. In my case, I am selecting a t-shirt. Here you will get to see a variety of products. Once you have selected what you want to sell, click on your store name from the top left corner. Click on Add New Store. Here select Printify to connect your Etsy and Printify accounts. Scroll down and grant access to this integration. Once connected, click on Order Your Sample Now. After that, select a product. Here, select the product that you have chosen before. Click on Start Designing to start the customization. Click on Edit from the top right. Next, you need to add a design to your product. Click on Upload from your left and click My Device. Here, select the design that you want to add to your product. Resize the design of your product. You can also change the color of your product. Once you are done, click on Save Product. Now, as your product is ready, continue to publish it. Here, click on Connect to Etsy. Now your Etsy and Printify accounts are connected and you can publish this product to your Etsy store. Go to your Etsy store from here and click on these three dots given right next to it. Confirm your store name and hit the Save button. After that, you will need to set your shipping profile. Set all the additional settings as needed to ensure the seamless delivery of your product. Also, set ordering routing details and approve details. Set the tracking notifications to track your orders. Once you're all done, go ahead and publish your listing. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.